Hey you all, I'll be showing you all this wig Shontay by the brand Outre. If you want to see how I styled it and you want to see the review on this wig, then keep watching.
Okay, so this is how the wig looks inside. I'm going to get into why it looks like this later on in the video, so keep watching for that. All right, so I have a little bit of hair pulled out in the front. I don't have a lot of leave out, and I'll explain that later on in the video as well. But I'm just putting the clips in where they need to be, and now I'm just combing everything in, trying to blend and go ahead and style. As far as how to have your hair underneath the wig, I would recommend that you braid your hair or leave it in a low ponytail or low bun like I typically do. And then you can put a wig cap on it as well, but just make sure that you pull out the perimeter of your hair so that it'll be like your leave out from ear to ear to make sure that you can cover the band as best as you can. I'm going to explain later on in the video why I didn't do that all the way, but that is the best way to wear a half wig.
Wig is Shontay and it's from the brand Outre. It is a half wig. Y'all know I love half wigs. I don't know if y'all know, but I love half wigs. I have some old videos of how I used to style half wigs. Like, half wigs are so good because they're so versatile and they're cheap. And if you're scared of like a full wig, if you're scared of wearing lace or anything like that, like, these are good because it's the same thing as a U part essentially, except for you don't really have a part. It's just gonna be just straight like this on back, and you just have to pull your hair out in the front and manipulate it. So I like it because you can be really versatile with it. So before I get into the wig, you are gonna see my wig band a little bit because the way I have my hair right now, like, it needs to be washed. I did another video where I put got to be glue on it for a ponytail, and now like the hair is stuck and I can't really pull my hair out to use it as, what am I trying to say? I can't really pull my hair out to use it as leave out because my hair is kind of stuck together. Okay? Okay. So we agree to not come for me in the comment section when y'all say, you didn't leave enough leave out. I can see a leave out. I know. But I gave y'all something. I gave y'all something. Okay? Work with me. Work with me. All right. So this is the wig. It's cute. I really like this style because I used to wear my hair like this when I had like my own quick weave sew-in. I used to style it like this. All right, but onto the specs. I probably won't talk much about this wig because it's just already like amazing. So wig is Shontay. I don't have the stock card with me because I threw it away. But this is how the wig looks. She's already stunning, and she's wearing hers like Oprah style, and I'm wearing mine like Summer Walker style. But yeah, I like the wig. Like I said, half wig, so it's really versatile. You can kind of flip it any way you want. I'm not really gonna manipulate this too much because it was already kind of hard styling it without leave out. So it has a lot of body. The hair is nice, the fibers are nice. I haven't experienced any shedding or tangling. No problems with this wig at all. It comes with a clip right here, a clip right here, a clip in the back, and a drawstring. The only complaint that I would have, and I'm not sure if this is on behalf of the company or on behalf of the site that I ordered it from, ordered my wig from samsbeauty.com, and the wig, like in the back, you'll see a clip where it's like the hair is like matted in the back, like towards the comb. So I'm not sure if that's how they made their wigs or if that's, I just got like a bad wig from the company, because I think samsbeauty.com, I think they have their own like store. So I'm not sure if this was like a display wig and people were trying it on. I don't know, but it's just like, I've never seen that before. Kind of only seen it in wigs over time. You know, it just looks like the wig has been manipulated prior to me getting the wig. So I'm not sure if that's how all the wigs come. If anybody else has this wig, let me know. Like, does your wig look like that, or if this was on behalf of the company that I purchased it from? So that's that. The price of the wig, I want to say it was like $16-17. Cheap, like that. But yeah, all the information that you will need will be down in the description box. I'll leave the links to everything as well. I didn't even get into the color. The color is a 1B30. So you see like a few highlights of brown, but mostly black. I like it because it's just really natural. Look at this. It's just so cute, isn't it? So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be all for this video. I really don't have anything else to say about it because the wig is just really, really nice. If y'all have any questions, let me know down in the description box. Let me know down in the comment section. But read the description box because I leave a lot of information in there. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have another video coming out. It's gonna be another hair look, so you don't want to miss that. Check out some of my older videos. I just did a date night get ready with me quarantine edition video in collaboration with Ken and Ken TV. If you haven't seen that, check them out because they're an upcoming couple channel and they have a lot to offer. Like, their content is great. Yeah. So anything else y'all want to chat about, just leave it down in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.